This is the cutest keyboard I own. And no, this is not sponsored, I wish it was, but I bought this with my own money. This is the Yunzii B68, a 65% mechanical keyboard with PBT keycaps and hot swappable switches. Inside the box, you'll get some manuals, a Type-C charging cable, a switch puller, and extra colored keycaps to give the keyboard a pop of color. And honestly, it's the highlight for me. There are two colors to choose from, the other one is pink, but I chose the cream one. This comes with the cocoa cream switches from Yunzii, which gives that creamier feel when typing, and this is how it sounds. This has a volume knob, and you can connect it via Bluetooth, 2.4, wireless USB, and Type-C. I've already tried this, and honestly, it feels so good to type on. It gives that satisfying, creamy sound we all secretly love. The extra colorful keycaps really made a big difference. It really made this keyboard stand out even more. I'm not lying when I tell you this is the cutest keyboard ever. And I know you're excited to hear how this keyboard sounds. Again, this is Yunzii B68. Till my next keyboard review. Thank you for watching!